In this lesson, we are going to reduce the given fraction to its lowest term. To understand this, let's have an example. We have here 14 all over 36. To reduce this to its lowest term, our first step will be to find the greatest common factor of 14 and 36. The factors of 14 we have here 1 multiplied by 14, and we also have 2 multiplied by 7. These are the factors of 14. And for 36, the factors are, we have 1 multiplied by 36. We also have 2 multiplied by 18. And then we also have 3 multiplied by 12. And we have 4 multiplied by 9. These are all the factors of 36. And we will now look at the factors of the two numbers. We will find common factors. We can see that 1 is present in 14 and it is also present in 36. 2 is present in 14 and it is also a factor of 36. There are no more common factors. We will select from 1 and 2 the largest. Of course, the largest between 1 and 2 is 2. The greatest common factor of 14 and 36 now is 2. Now that we know the GCF of 14 and 36 is 2, we will proceed to our next step. So we will have here 14. So 14 divided by 2. And we have here 36 divided by 2. 14 divided by 2, this is equal to 7. And 36 divided by 2, this is equal to 18. 7 and 18 cannot be divided anymore because there are no common factors between the two. Therefore, 14 all over 36, its lowest term is 7 over 18. And this is our final answer.